Good morning. It is currently 6:30 and I'm starting my day a little bit early because I have a lot I want to do. I look like a thumb right now. So right now I'm just ready to go into the gym. We're gonna do a leg day, maybe work on my abs too a little bit. But I'm just gonna take you through my day with me because I have a lot of fun stuff going on and I'm excited. So yeah, right now I'm gonna get a quick workout in before I have to go get ready for the day. So it's finally light outside, just now leaving. Yay! I just got back in my car and realized that I had my mask on inside out the entire time that I was working out, so that's really cute. Got back from the gym and I showered and ate breakfast, but right now I'm getting ready to go to a photo shoot for Bubbles Tea Company. Basically, my friend asked me if I wanted to take some pictures with them along with some other people for the company for branding purposes. So right now I need to get ready for that super fast because at 10:15. So I'm gonna crimp my hair a little bit because it fell out last night, and then I'm gonna do my makeup. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I quickly did my makeup and hair. Just something like kind of casual because I don't want to do too much at this photo shoot. I think it's more of like a natural look. And I'm trying to run out the door really quickly because I need to be there by 10:15. And yeah, I'm just wearing like this fuzzy sweater and a little tank top. So I hope I can put the pictures in at the end, and hopefully I can get those back pretty quickly before I upload this. Stopping to get a car wash in between after I just got done with the photo shoot. Always playing Travis, of course. So I got back from the car wash and I ordered some groceries. They came in. Just took a nap because I'm about to go to happy hour with my friend, and I've been up early this morning, so I really wasn't having so much energy. So yeah, right now I'm just in my sweatpants, but I'm gonna change into a little cute outfit to go meet my friend. Hi everyone, I'm home now. I kind of skipped the whole part where I went out with my friend because I guess I was just too drunk to realize to take out my camera. But I went to Goodale Station. It was really cute with views of Columbus. And then I went to book club with my friend and a couple other girls that we do once a month, which was really fun. But now I'm watching Tangled. It's like 9 p.m. and eating cheese puffs with Sydney. As we should. So signing out for the night because you don't need to know anything else. Bye!